Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Simple Marketing Academy. My name is Jill, and I'm your host. So today we're going to be talking about why you need an online marketing strategy and why you can't just kind of wing it. And I'm going to be telling you the 4 main reasons you need this for your small business, no matter how small your business is. And I will be willing to bet that number 4 is going to surprise you. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jill Fox, and I'm the owner of Fox Social Media. I've been helping small businesses to both market and advertise online for the past 10 years now. And I'm super excited to have my Simple Marketing Academy now so that I can help all very small business owners who can't afford to hire a done-for-you agency like Fox Social Media. So super excited, and check out the resources below to see how you can jump into the Academy for completely free for a month. So a marketing strategy is basically a set of guidelines that you're going to follow that drives your marketing. And the reason you need this, again, is fourfold. Number 1, you need to set your goals and objectives. So as a small business, your goal for right now, you're brand new, is going to be to let people get to know you. Tell people you're out there. You just want them to find you, learn about you, and start to get to know you. So your goals and objectives are going to really drive that marketing. They're going to change as you go along, but as you develop and grow your business, they are going to become different as well. So you need to continue this strategy all the way through as you're growing, and it becomes even more important the bigger you get. Number 2 is that you need to be targeting your posts and your information, and if you run ads, your ads, to the appropriate audience. So for me, I created Simple Marketing Academy mostly for people who didn't grow up with the internet, like I did, and I'm 58. And I'm a grandma. So, I certainly didn't grow up with it. I didn't even have a cell phone until I was 29 or something silly like that. But anyway, you want to know who your audience is. You want to be speaking to them in a way that they can relate to, and you want to be giving them information that's helpful, that answers their questions, that helps them solve problems, that really starts to position you as an expert in your industry and draws people to you so that they know they can come to you to find a solution to that problem or to find the thing they're looking for, whatever it is you're selling and whatever it is your product is. And when you're speaking and you don't know who you're trying to speak to or who your exact audience is, you're just basically throwing all this stuff out there and hoping something will stick. But it's kind of a waste of time. You want to target and speak just to your audience. We don't really care if the other people are listening because your product or service isn't for them anyway. So number 3, it really helps you stay organized and stay on task. And I can attest to this because I find that when I slip up a little, which I do, and I don't have my plan detailed out for the next month or so, that it actually takes me longer to get things done. I don't get as much done, and my content isn't as useful to my audience. So it's super important, and it's actually a big time saver for you as well. And the 4th reason is because you won't ever complete a loop if you don't have a content marketing strategy. And what I mean by completing a loop is essentially making sure that you have a way to bring your ideal customer through the whole process of your journey. So let's say today you posted a video about the earrings you made in your jewelry store, and tomorrow you're posting a video about your new location. And all of this is fine in and of itself. But my point is that you've got to have a way to take these people through the buying journey. And as we just mentioned, first, it's getting to know you. So if you're out there just throwing all this content out saying, buy from me, buy from me, buy from me, and they don't even know who the heck you are or why you're credible or anything, they're not going to buy from you. So you've got to walk them through the journey. Here's who I am. Here's what I do. Here's why I'm passionate about what I do. The next step, Here's how I can help you. Here's how my product can help you. Here's why I'm qualified to help you. And you have to take them through that journey of getting to know, like, and trust you. And if your content isn't set up in a system to do that, then you're not closing the loop for those potential customers you have out there. So the loop is a circle, and they're going to start at the top up here, and you've got to get them all the way back around to the top again with your content and with the information you're putting out there in front of them. So you've got to finish closing that loop to get the sale. So let's just recap here real quickly. So number one, it helps you to set your goals and your objectives. And this kind of writes them all out for you. It forces you to do that. Number two, it helps you to target the right audience. We don't need to speak to everyone, just our ideal customers and clients. And number three, it helps you to stay organized. And I can attest to this firsthand. It is such a time saver. You feel better and more productive. You feel better and more productive when you do this. And number four, it completes the loop. It helps get people from never heard of you all the way through the journey they need to go through to buy from you. So if you have any questions at all, please leave them below in the comments. If you are a very small business owner, you cannot afford to be paying an agency like Fox Social Media, please click the link below in the description and jump into Simple Marketing Academy for free for a month and just see how we can help you in there. So no obligation to stay. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how simple this process can actually be when it's written out by someone who's experienced and someone who can take you through it. Simple Marketing Academy essentially is where small business owners, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, generally those didn't grow up with the internet, where they come to learn about marketing for their ideal clients and customers, reaching those ideal clients and customers, and increasing their revenue. So it's just a process. It's not hard to learn. So I hope to see you on the inside, and I will see you in the next video as well.